Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If this is your first time here, welcome. So today I'm gonna be doing my second look with the NORVINA palette from ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. I really loved the pink shade in here called Wild Child. As you guys saw my first video, you definitely know that I was obsessed when I looked at the shade, swatched it. I was really just obsessed. This is the shade right here. So I really wanted to do a look with the shade. Oh, it's so pretty. I wanted to do a look incorporating the shade kind of just all over my eyelid and just having a beautiful wild child moment. So we're going to be doing that today, and let's just jump right into the video. So I'm going to start out with the shade Love right down here, and I'm going to apply this right in my crease area. I'm just going to pat it on before blending it out. This is going to be a very airy, very feminine, very girly look, nice and pinkified, no dark shadows, just very airy and pink, you know? If you think of just running through a field of roses, well, that's kind of painful. You might get stuck with a thorn, but just running through a beautiful field of pastel pink flowers, then this is what we're going for today. Usually shades like this will look kind of white and Caspery on my brown skin tone, but it looks really nice. Like the color is showing up, it has pigment, it looks really nice, so I love that. Avi. Okay, so we're gonna go on the bottom lash line with the same shade Love. Love me, I wanna be with you. I'm blending this out. You can use a smaller brush for down here just because, you know, it's a small area, but if you are comfortable with a brush this size, then go for it. So now we're going to go in with Wild Child, which is my favorite child in this entire palette. And let's take a flat brush, and we're just going to place this on the... Ooh. It has some fallout, so I'm going to just use a setting spray. I'm going to use the matte... I'm going to use the Matte Fix Plus from MAC. This is the matte version of MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to just apply this color. This is so pretty. OMG. You guys see this? Do you see this? So for my inner corner, I'm going to take the same shade. I'm just going to pop that right in here because it's such a pretty color. It can just go right in the inner corner as well. Yeah, that. This is such an easy look, but don't you love how sultry and just girly and fresh it is? It looks just beautiful. I love it. For my lips, I'm going to use Makeup Geek's Waltz. And then I'm going to top it off with Pat McGrath's gloss in Flesh Astral. And lastly, I'm going to add this pencil from Pixie. This is an eye brightening liner. So I'm going to add this and put this in my waterline. So this is the entire look, you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did. Comments, share, subscribe. Maybe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.